Unleash your inner artist and craft your own happiness. Today, we're diving into uplifting DIY artwork. First, the inspiration board collage. Grab magazines, old photos, and inspiring quotes. Create a collage that mirrors your dreams and aspirations. Each piece contributes to your happiness. Next, mood-boosting mandalas. Draw intricate, colorful patterns that represent inner peace. Feel stress evaporate and spirits lift as you color in each section. Lastly, the canvas of gratitude. Layer vibrant colors, each hue representing something you're grateful for. Your artwork transforms into a visual journal of blessings. Remember, this journey isn't just about art. It's about cultivating happiness, fostering creativity, and celebrating self-expression. If you enjoyed this content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support encourages us to keep creating joyful content. We're eager to hear which DIY positive artwork you're excited to try. So embark on this creative journey and craft your own happiness.